Hi guys, so we're at Balne level crossing in South Yorkshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. Right, time is 11:22 on Friday the 8th of April 2016, and this is for our slightly delayed 11:19 1 Sierra 10 Virgin train service Lunacus Cross to Edinburgh. You got a forest shirt on, I see. Pardon? Yeah. So, Lunacus, which way is Edinburgh? That way?
Cross that way, yeah.
Alright, so it's coming from this way then. The track's pretty far from this gate. Here she comes. We've got 91,109 Subaru Robson! 91,109 Subaru Robson 82,212 to Edinburgh. And they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.